General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the work. It's almost done with the first quarter. All right. Today's the 16th. It wasn't a crazy day for it to be the first day open since, I guess no real escalation or whatever, no news shock. So the delivery was interesting. Okay. Opened up. New York did look choppy too. What is crazy is, I don't even really seen the clean part. So all this looks really weird and terrible. It's kind of giving me it needs retracement. Took Friday's high. Looks like it reacted at an order block that was created on Thursday. That's a lot of distance as well. Alright, so give me the N15. On the side of delivery. So I would expect some type of reaction down here. Let's get a OTE vibe here. Okay. OTE is like sitting right here perfectly. But let's just do it this way. Okay. All right, let's go to the H1 chart. I still think higher. Yeah. Yeah, this is a weird daily delivery, but there's not even nothing even really to add. But thinking short retracements and higher. Watch out for this inducement. Looking for Thursday's high and the new day opening gap created from last week. Check us out on the daily. Sitting on the 200. This is actually interesting because it's like a weak CSD. We ain't put no body here, but we got a body close above. So its closing price is kind of interesting. And I want to see if it lines up with. Let's see if it lines up with OTE. So let's make it gold. Okay. And let's see what it looks like. Friday close is by OTE. It's kind of nice. It sits there kind of nice too. Looking into buy retracements. We'll watching around Friday's closing price. entries. Let's see what SPX did today. Right here. We didn't take any high. Didn't take any high. Then on SPX. Just consolidated. The New York Open. New York Open has been interesting because we've been getting that chop. And we're playing in this old gap. This is the old gap we're playing in. But there's a gap down here too. Mm, I just say if we trust this move, we just started. And I think the only good news was NVIDIA. So you gotta be careful. It's Fed fund rate and options or quiet witching. What is tomorrow? Because it is a packed week. See what's up with Forex Factory. Trump always speak. Home sales is nothing. So we don't got nothing to Wednesday. Wednesday's PPI. Thursday unemployment. Tuesday, no big red news. So we will see. Wednesday is the day of truth. Let's go. Oh, I don't know what that was. Daily. Same deal here with Friday closing price. Let's make this green. Just this gap is annoying. I mean, it's a few annoying gaps, but that one's just annoying. Yeah, looking about retracements. Target Thursday high. The third charter will be SPY, but I don't think I have to do it like that. Just 15-minute charts. So much. Thursday's high is here on SPY. Well, Thursday's high from regular trading hours. There is no high in this void here. The next exclusive price would be Wednesday's closing price. This is up candle too. So really I want to see 50% of this candle hold. And it's an interesting gap there. But I don't have to do all that. Boom, did the framework. There is no framework for Monday really. Tomorrow, let's see retracements to buy. What do we learn about the pattern and narrative for ourselves? Getting things organized and doing trading in a way that's not toxic but organized. You can see the framework played out too. I might swing trade UJ. It's just boring with the war. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.